sweet.
Yeah, just the halfway, the halfway. Yeah, not one room.
Wow. Sweet.
Oh, there's a fucking hammer, huh?
That's so cool.
All right, let's go up there now.
Yeah, another level up there. This is, I guess,
Change it.
it's gonna go off in a few minutes.
So there's a mechanism much more complicated than that needed to be repaired. And I sent it, I had a guy come in
Yeah.
for another place, yeah.
Wow. Look at this hammer thing. So what? Oh, so just the hammer hits.
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
thing
it's an
inside
empty
doesn't move.
belt. No, it's an empty belt.
Wow, that's so cool.
You want to go?
Huh?
You want to get over there?
Yep. Look at the ground wire.
Oh yeah.
Ground wire. Yeah, look at that thing. So which one hits it? This one hits it?
Probably this one. I don't know if there's anything going to that one.
Wow.
We'll see,
Look
won't
at the
we?
giant square bolts. Wow. I mean, can we even be up here when it goes off? Are we going to be able to hear anything?
Huh?
Huh? Wow.
Can anybody hear me?
Look at this view. Yeah, we're pretty high up now. All right, I'm going to stop recording.